Namaskar. Today we'll talk about how to book an order to your distributor, maintaining social distancing norms through S2P2 mobile application, link of which we have already shared with you. So let's get started. You can see this S2P2 icon on the screen. Let's click this. After clicking it, it will ask for ID and password. We have done our ID and password. Let's log in. After logging it, it does have a lot of options. We'll talk about order management. There are two options in this: order booking and order report. First, we'll talk about order booking. In this order booking, you'll see on the very top sale through MTD and sell out MTD. So sale through MTD is your 14.5 lakh and sale out MTD is 11.64 lakh. This gives a very good view of how this month is going. Let's see below that there are other segments like panel, refrigerator, washing machine, microwaves, and below that there is category. So if we choose panel, we can choose subcategory over here, that below 32 inch or 40 to 43 inch, like this. Let's see other things. In first option, which is QA55Q 60 RAKXXL, you can see sell through is 0 and sell out is 0. But in the second option, sell through is 3 and sell out is 1. So this is very important and gives an insight that how much you have bought and how much you have sold. Okay, now you can place order from here. Before that, let's talk about two things. One is NPPI and another is price drop. What is NPPI? NPPI, if the model is launched in last 2 weeks, then NPPI would be highlighted. And if the model is the price drop is done in the last 2 weeks, then this price drop would be highlighted. So now let's add the quantity. The second option, we'll add the quantity 1. We'll add one more quantity on the third option, which is QA49NU7100. Now you can see the total volume is 2 in the very left hand side corner. And now we can add to the cart straight away. So item has been added to the cart and you can see on the topmost corner, right hand corner. Now what we can do over here, if we add to the view cart, we can place order directly. So let's submit the order, and while submitting order, it takes a bit of time because of network, but the data is successfully submitted in DMS NXT. Okay, now we can view all these things in order report. Hope it would be very easier for you to place order to distributor now. Thank you so much.